Hello, this video is for how to prepare an Olympia typewriter for shipping. This is an sm3, which these instructions also apply for the sm4 and the sm5. You want to begin by making sure that the carriage lock, this guy, is down. That's where the carriage can move free. It needs to be able to move around. This is the carriage release lever. That one. We need to make sure that that lever is held down for shipping. Best way to do this that I have found is to use a rubber band, such as the ones you would get off broccoli from your produce department at the grocery store. Normally, if you ask them, they'll give you a couple for free. You're going to take this, hook it around the lever so it sits like that, push the lever down, go around the front of the knob, and then hook it back around the front of the lever. So I'm trying to do this one-handed, it's not very easy. Voila. This rubber band's kind of old and worn out, but fresh ones work better. And there it is. Works like a charm. Now the carriage can slide free. If you don't do this, the gears on the escapement will get damaged in shipping. I almost guarantee it. You're also going to want to take some rolled up newspaper, stuff it into the type bar tray. About 2 pieces normally will be enough. If you don't do that, all your type bars will fly up and it'll end up looking like this, with all of those things getting bent and beat up. Not very good. Once you have the carriage loose, you're going to want to stand your machine up, get your carriage centered, and then use plastic cling wrap to wrap around the carriage itself, around the very back half of the machine, just to keep it in place for when you put it into the case. Once it's in the case, pad it with more rolled up newspaper and stick the case inside a trash bag, tape it, and then give it about 4 inches of padding on each side once it's inside its box. And that should get you there. Hope this helps.